My name is Jane Schneider, and today is May 18th, 2024. Hi, my name is Jane. I chose to do my presentation on the role of the pancreas and liver in regulating digestion. The digestive system is a complex network of organs working together to break down food and absorb nutrients. Today we will dive into the roles of two crucial organs, the pancreas and the liver. This presentation will explore the anatomy and functions of the pancreas and liver, examine how they communicate and coordinate in the digestive process, and discuss the implications of their dysfunction. The pancreas. So for location and structure, the pancreas is situated behind the stomach in the abdominal cavity. It has an elongated tadpole-like shape with a head, body, and tail. Blood vessels and ducts run throughout the pancreas, facilitating its functions. The pancreas does have a dual role. It has an endocrine function, which produces and releases hormones like insulin and glucagon into the bloodstream, and regulates blood sugar levels and metabolism. And it also has an exocrine function. It produces digestive enzymes and bicarbonate. These are released into the small intestine via the pancreatic duct. The importance of pancreatic enzymes. Lipase breaks down fats into fatty acids and glycerol, which aids in their absorption. Amylase digests carbohydrates or starches into simpler sugars like glucose. Protease, which breaks down proteins into amino acids, facilitating their absorption and utilization. These enzymes are crucial for efficient digestion, ensuring that nutrients from food are broken down into forms that can be absorbed and utilized by the body. Communication with the pancreas. Neural and hormonal signaling. The pancreas communicates with other digestive organs through neural and hormonal signaling. Neural signals originate from the enteric nervous system, which is embedded in the walls of the digestive tract. Hormonal signals involve the release of various hormones, such as secretin and CCK, in response to specific stimuli. Interaction with the small intestine. The small intestine plays a central role in communicating with the pancreas. When food enters the small intestine, it stimulates the release of hormones like secretin and CCK. Secretin stimulates the pancreas to release bicarbonate-rich pancreatic juice, which neutralizes acidic chyme from the stomach. CCK stimulates the pancreas to release digestive enzymes, including lipase, amylase, and protease, into the small intestine. The triggered response to food. The presence of food in the small intestine triggers the release of pancreatic enzymes. This ensures that digestive enzymes are available when food enters the small intestine, optimizing the process of digestion and nutrient absorption. The coordination between the pancreas and small intestine ensures efficient digestion and absorption of nutrients from food. The liver. The liver is the largest internal organ in the human body, and it plays a central role in metabolism and detoxification. Positioned in the upper right abdomen, the liver performs a multitude of essential functions to maintain overall health and well-being. Metabolism and detoxification. The liver acts as a metabolic powerhouse, regulating the metabolism of carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. It detoxifies harmful substances such as drugs and toxins by breaking them down and removing them from the bloodstream. Production of bile. One of the liver's critical functions is the production of bile. Bile is synthesized in the liver cells, hepatocytes, and stored in the gallbladder. It contains bile salts, which aid in the emulsification and digestion of fats in the small intestine. The liver's role in fat digestion and absorption. Bile plays a crucial role in fat digestion and absorption by emulsifying large fat droplets into smaller droplets. This increases the surface area of fat particles, allowing digestion enzymes such as lipase to efficiently break them down into fatty acids and glycerol for absorption. The liver is also involved in carbohydrates and protein metabolism. The liver regulates blood sugar levels by storing excess glucose as glycogen through glycogenesis or releasing glucose into the bloodstream through glycogenolysis. It also synthesizes glucose through glycogenesis during periods of fasting or low blood sugar. Additionally, the liver plays a key role in protein metabolism, including the synthesis of plasma proteins and the conversion of amino acids into energy or other molecules as needed. It also maintains blood sugar levels. By regulating carbohydrates and protein metabolism, the liver helps maintain stable blood sugar levels essential for providing energy to cells throughout the body. Dysfunction in liver metabolism can lead to conditions such as diabetes or hypoglycemia, highlighting the critical role of the liver in overall metabolic health. Coordination between the liver and the pancreas. Regulating digestion, the liver and pancreas work in concert to ensure efficient digestion and absorption of nutrients. This coordinated effort involves the production of bile by the liver and the secretion of pancreatic enzymes by the pancreas. Bile production and storage. Bile produced by the liver is a crucial digestive fluid composed of bile salts, cholesterol, and bilirubin. After synthesis, bile is transported to the gallbladder for storage and concentration. When needed, the gallbladder contracts and releases bile into the small intestine via the common bile duct. The role of bile in fat digestion. Bile aids in the digestion and absorption of fats by emulsifying large fat globules into smaller droplets. This process increases the surface area of fats, allowing pancreatic lipase to efficiently break them down into fatty acids and glycerol for absorption. Synchronization with pancreatic enzymes. The release of bile is synchronized with the release of pancreatic enzymes into the small intestine. As food enters the small intestine and stimulates the release of hormones like CCK, both the gallbladder and pancreas respond. CCK stimulates the gallbladder to ensure that bile is readily available for fat digestion when needed. CCK stimulates the pancreas to release enzymes necessary for digestion of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. This coordinated response ensures optimal digestion and absorption of nutrients, highlighting the importance of CCK in regulating bile release and digestive enzyme secretion. Disorders and implications. One disorder of the pancreas is pancreatitis, which is inflammation of the pancreas causing severe abdominal pain and digestion issues. And a disorder of the liver would be liver cirrhosis, which is chronic liver scarring from alcohol abuse or viral hepatitis leading to jaundice and liver failure. Implications include digestive dysfunction, where disorders disrupt nutrient absorption and may lead to weight loss. There are systemic effects, where liver dysfunction affects blood clotting and can lead to neurological issues. And treatment challenges, multidisciplinary approach is needed for management, including lifestyle changes and sometimes surgery. And these are only a few of the disorders that can occur in the liver and the pancreas. There are obviously plenty more. So I created a worksheet, a multiple choice worksheet, mastering digestive communication. So question number 1, where is the pancreas located in the body? Option A, B, C, or D. What are the primary functions of the pancreas? What type of enzymes does the pancreas secrete into the small intestine? Where is bile produced and stored for digestion? How does bile aid in the digestion of fats? And lastly, question number 6, which hormone is involved in regulating both pancreatic and hepatic functions? And here is the answer key provided for the questions that were asked on the previous slide. In conclusion, the pancreas secretes enzymes for digesting carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The liver produces bile, which aids in fat digestion and absorption, and the coordination between these organs ensures efficient nutrient breakdown and absorption, which highlights the essential role they play in digestion and overall health.